Hi, this is Stacy, and I'm sorry I haven't made a video in some time now. I ordered this box. It came from Australia, and as you can probably tell, I got a mess going on here on my desk, but that's situation normal for anybody who goes crafting, right? This is the Natasa Box. I saw this advertised, and let's see if we can get this open. So this took about 3 weeks to get here from Australia. I placed the order, I want to say around the end of February. And look at all the stuff we get. Woo, I'm so excited. Oh, little chipboard things. It says, this is from Which Craft Do You Do? And it says some of the items on our website are stencils, white chipboard tiles and embellishments, handmade embellishments, digital downloads, decoupage papers and napkins, sari, silk, seam binding, ribbon, lace, stickers, packs and kits, and so much more. Wow. And they sent me this little, looks like a key. I'm not really sure what this is. Oh well. Anyway, so we got some sari silk. I believe that's what this is. And some laces. Now each box is going to be slightly different. It says so on their website because it just depends on what they have. But these look really cool. Let me get my scissors here. Oh, there's the opening. I don't always see the stuff to open it with. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. This is really nice. Oh, I like that. Those are nice. And it looks like it's about a yard-ish of each. Let's see. And we have Tim Holtz. Woohoo! Tim Holtz. Let's see. These are swivel clasps. Where were these when I needed them? And these are word bands. Idea-ology word bands. So, like the journey awakens the soul. These are so cool. What are these? These are ring fasteners. Not really sure how these work, but I'll figure it out. I can always, you know, Google Tim Holtz, find out. Salvaged dolls. So I could add little dollies, paint them up. I bet they'd be cute. Oh, philosophy tags. Simplify, wander, imagine, destiny, believe, listen, cherish. Beautiful. Wow, nice. What are these? Black and white. Foam letters. I guess you can. Cling. Oh, they're stamps. Stamps. And that's okay, so you get both the lowercase and uppercase stamps. That's nice. Oh, look at the tape. Isn't that nice? Oh, I kind of hate to open this up. I guess I'm going to have to. Well, I'm not ruining that little piece of tape. I might want it for something else later. Just got to be smarter than box. Napkins! Ooh, nice. Oh, look at these. Oh, and they're all so different. Oh, cool. I love poppies. These are so nice. This one reminds me of back in the 70s with Holly Hobby and all the little mushroom things. You know, like say about circa 74. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh. First you have winter and then you have spring. Oh, and summer. Oh, how lovely. Lovely. Oh, I like that. Let's see. What's this? Tag stencil? Let's see what I got to. It's dark. Okay. And these are all different. Oh, this has got the inner and the outer. These are so cool. Look at that. Diamonds. Oh. Very cool, very cool. So exciting. No, I can't get them back in the bag. Isn't that how that usually works? You can't get something back in the bag? Oh, how exciting. Oh, a cheesecloth. You can always use that. Ooh, chipboard stuff. Well, ooh. So you could probably use those stencils on these. Coolio. Doo -doo -doo. Oh, looks like it's in German. That's pretty. I like that. It's abstract, but really artsy looking. Some plain ones. Okay. Very cool. Ooh, I like that a lot. This is just really cool stuff. I've been busy while I've not been on YouTube. Oh, little tags. These are pretty. Look at these. Nice. Ooh. So you can see what these look like. Okay. Wow. I'll never get all this back in the bag. This is kind of like Pandora's box. Once you open it, you're kind of like, there it is. You know, you'll never get it all back in the box. Well, we'll put that back later. We have little stamps. Little chipboard stamps. Lace doilies in 3 sizes. Nice. This stuff here, to me, is really totally worth it. You can see it. I can't get it open. So I'm going to have to do some more videos because I'm a little bit behind. But I've done a couple of journals, and I work full-time, so... Oh, look at these. This is wrapping paper with the old-fashioned pictures on it. So that's really cool. That's a pretty good sized piece of paper. Ooh, more. More. I'm just so happy I don't have to wear these. Can you imagine buttoning all those buttons? And there's more. Oh, and little couples who got married. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, isn't that lovely? Look at the little cherubs. Sweet. This is pretty. This has a nice texture. This is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's textured. My lighting is not the best in here today, so. Ooh, more textured papers. This is fun. Ooh, this is kind of pebbly. Kind of looks like, reminds me of feathers. More pebbly, bigger pebbles. Oh, I think I'll frame that and just hang it up on the wall. That's really pretty. I like that. Oh, oregano. I love cooking with it. More. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, this looks like it's got some book pages and what have you in here. Oh, lace doily. I don't really want to untie it. I'll never get it back together. Well, we've got some various little things. A couple of book pages here. Looks like it's German. Bit of a ledger. Guest check. Who knew these were going to be so popular? Just, this says serial numbers, but I'm thinking it reminds me of those little things that you get in your clothes that say inspector. Inspected by Inspector 12. Another little piece of German, old German book. Looks like it just ripped it out. You can see where it's sewn in. So, this is what I got in my Natasa box. This comes from whichcraftdoyoudo.com. They are evidently, now watch, I'm never going to get all this back in here. They are a company that's based out of, I have no idea how they got it in there. They're a company that's based out of Australia. At least according to this. And it says stationery pack here on this thing from Australian Post. I saw this in another YouTube video, which I can't remember right now, but I will try to endeavor to link it in the description below. And I think it's, you know, it was very reasonably priced with the shipping and the everything. It's very reasonably priced for all the stuff you get. Just if you just priced some of the things, like half the things in here would be about the price that you pay for it. So with everything that's in there, that includes the shipping, I guess, from my point of view. Anyway, looking forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.